Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to stake your coin on Binance. How to stake your coins on Binance and make more money from it, most especially Shiba Inu. So if you are new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch videos like this when I upload them. I upload videos on how to make money online and how to claim free cryptos, and also I teach some life hacks on my channel, so you can go through some of my other videos and see how you can learn how to earn and benefit yourself. So without saying much, let's right head into the video of the day. So today I'll be showing you how you can stake different coins on your Binance app. But the coin I will be staking today is the Shiba Inu coin. Guys, if you have been following some update on cryptos, you must have heard, you must have seen the news. Shiba Inu going to the moon with its price. It's going high. So guys, I'm in my Binance app, but before I show you how to stake the coin, let me just show you the current price of Shiba Inu. Now this is the current price of Shiba Inu right here. One Shiba Inu is currently worth this price. So one Shiba Inu is currently worth this price right here, guys. This price you see here, this one I underline, that's the price of one Shiba Inu. And guys, they are saying they are expecting Shiba Inu to get to $1 or 10 cents before the end of 2021. So guys, that is it. So now, how do you earn more Shiba Inu tokens? Since maybe you have 1,000,000 and you want to earn more, all you need to do, guys, is to stake your coin so that you earn more, and you can do that on the Binance app. So if you don't have the Binance app, I'll drop my on the description link below. On that link, if you use my link, if you trade, you get 20%, you get 5% of whatever you trade on Binance. So I'll be dropping my link below so that you use it and sign up for this. So this is it, guys. You come to this place where you see more on the app. We are at the home page. You can see right here. So you click here, more. When you click here, more, it will take you to more functions, guys. Like the Binance app is a whole lot you need to learn about it, but I'm just going to be showing you how to stake your coin today. So let's head over to this place. You can see right here, stake. So guys, we'll click on it. There are so many functions you can use this app to do. So guys, you can see there are so many coins that you can stake. This particular coin PTN, you can stake it for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. For 15 days you make 45%. For 15 days, 19 days you make 25%, which is already sold out. The 15 days is yet to be sold out, but you need to have a minimum of 20 of this coin. So guys, these are different coins you can stake here. So the coin we'll be staking today is Shiba Inu. So let's head over to Shiba Inu. Yes guys, this is Shiba Inu. Guys, this is what you get if you are staking this coin for 3 days. You get this as this is the annual reward you get if you are staking this coin for 30 days. We have for 60, we have for 90. So the minimum you can stake, guys, is 1,000,000 tokens. So take note of that. So you can stake for 60 days. 60 days you get 4.12, 90 days you get 5.23. And guys, I'm staking for 90 days since the 90 days is still available. So I'll be staking for 90 days. So you head over to stake. Now guys, this is it. I'm right here where I need to stake. So I'll just click here, maximum. So I have $2,371 worth of Shiba Inu. So that's what I have. So I'll be staking, excuse me, I'll be staking this everything I have in my wallet. So I'll be staking everything. So guys, there's no fee attached to this staking. You stake at your own cost, and if you want to withdraw, if you don't want to stake your coin anymore, you want to unstake it, you don't have to pay anything. It's totally free. So guys, for staking my coins for the next 90 days, I'm going to be getting 30,000 coins. So guys, for now it might not be anything. See, I'll be getting 30,000 coins. So if Shiba Inu should get to $1, this is $30,694 I'll be getting for staking 2 million of the coin. So guys, this is it. So you just click agree and you click confirm purchase. And guys, my coin has been staked, so it will start reading from tomorrow. Tomorrow, that's when it will start reading. So for today it is being locked, so from tomorrow, that's when it will be open. So I go to my wallet, and this is my wallet, guys. If you check your spot, so guys, there are so many other coins you can stake on the Binance stake. So I've staked so many coins before, so let me show you um the what I've been receiving from those coins I staked. This is it. So guys, this is what I've been receiving so far from the coins I staked. You can see Solana, Shiba, Trons, Bet, NTF, NFT, Cake, Shiba, Trons, Solana, NFT. So that's it, guys. These are all the ones I've been receiving the for the ones I've staked before in the past. These are all the rewards. So for the next 90 days, my Shiba Inu will be yielding more fruit for me, and that's it, guys. So guys, you have to stake. So all these ones are the ones I've been getting from the ones I stake. I stake Trons, I stake um Shiba, I staked all of them. So this is it, guys. So guys, that's how to stake your coin on the Binance app. So if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this, so you'll be the first to watch. Also click the like button to give this video a thumbs up so that it will reach to many other people. Remember, you can always share this video. Goodbye, guys. See you in our next video.